Good luck, everybody.
Good luck, most of you.
All right. I vaguely remember this game.
Oh, these
now.
are new items. No, those are rockets. We've had those before. Okay, then how can you can rotate them? Might as well keep it somewhat simple to start, right? That needs to go on a surface. That's ice.
Oh, I see.
Oh, you can actually wear the rocket. Oh.
Yeah. Good luck, James. Go for it, James. You can do it. If anyone can do it, James, it's you.
Oh, you chose too big of a character, I think.
Rude as hell.
Let's go, James.
Nice one, James. Oh, you got it too, Justin. Good one.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh! Oh, never mind. I'm okay.
Yeah. What does the wheel do? The spinning wheel? Like
If
nothing.
you attach
It's
honey
just
to
good.
it, you can make some. You can attach things to it.
Oh, cool.
So if you put honey on it, yeah.
I finished and got nothing. That was rude.
It's looking deadly.
Oh no, James didn't touch it. Oh no. No, James. No.
Ah, nuts. Wow,
I
good
killed
one,
all three of
Justin.
you with that? That's insane. Oh, not the rocket launcher.
Oh, right.
Nice. Nice, Tyler.
Wow.
Wow. Congratulations on killing your friends, you creep.
Wow. Thank you. Call me a fucking creep. I deserve it, though. Rooftops?
You want me, an elephant, to be on the rooftops.
Yeah. Never. Don't let your dreams be dreams, right? Never
Okay,
limit
yeah.
Never limit yourself.
Yeah, never.
Oh, I fucking love the cannon. Oh, James, I gotta shoot my cannon into your cannon. Oh yeah, fucking DK, you ready?
Oh, we can't get up there. Oh, fuck!
Oh, let's go, bitch! Well, you know, maybe I shouldn't have put an elephant on the roof.
Whoa, so nice slow motion and what the heck?
Oh fuck, James. That's dirty. That's a
I
too
was
easy,
totally
no
did that.
points. That's a nice place for that crossbow. Okay.
Oh,
Ooh, all
there's
dead.
arrows there.
Too hard, no point.
Yeah.
I thought I clicked it and I was, oh wait, that's my character that's still there.
Oh, what the fuck? I want to see coin. I love coin. Coin's my favorite.
Yeah, what was the coin meta? You just always go for coin no matter
Yeah,
what?
yeah. There was
Yeah.
a rule that if there was a coin, I had to go for it before I could get to the
Yeah,
finish
yeah.
line. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh, can't make that jump.
Oh, Mitch.
Excuse
Oh,
me?
Mitch. Oh, Mitch.
Oh, Mitch, that would have been sick.
I should have just backed up a little.
I thought you were gonna coin.
We got 2 big green bombs.
Yeah.
Oh, they just blow things up. I see.
I'm gonna blow up this thing.
Nice, good call. I like that.
Yeah. Oh, right, the saw. Okay.
Damn.
Oh, I don't think I can get back up.
There I go. Dead. A dead chameleon. Just like that. A corpse. That's a dead fucking monkey.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, not a black hole. That's naughty.
Guys, this is impossible.
Oh, I see.
Now we'll do it. We'll do it this one.
Okay.
I'll try my hardest.
Oh boy.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh.
Okay, I wonder if that's actually the way. Oh, we love spinny wheel. That's pretty nice.
Ah, dang it.
Oh, fuck, did you guys all just get fucking...
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't think that's the way. I think Mitch was just a miracle worker when he got through that the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3 turns.
Okay. Yeah, I guess I have to blow up something. And that killed... He just puts him back. Oh, that wind not being there is kind of huge.
Fuck me. I gotta remember. Did not
Oh,
come
I
in.
didn't want to go in there.
Oh, God.
This is bad. Oh my god, this is fucking bad. Ah! Ah!
What?
Whoa!
That was insane. No.
That was
Thank you for the
actually
assist,
insane.
Mr. Flower.
Yeah. He just alley-ooped you over there.
Alright. Waterfall's a good one.
Waterfall.
Oh, sorry, 1 second.
Crumbling
This is what I
bridge.
usually did.
Oh, handicap?
Yeah. Oh, no, I need to... That's the thing, I need to... I think we'll just go like this, it's fine.
Yeah, straight.
Just because I think you guys all have to press it, but, I mean, we're only playing for another 30 minutes, so it'll be fine.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're just having a good time.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I remember this one. This one's good. I'll give us something to work off of. It's pretty low.
Doesn't work, guys. Bad level.
Why did you die?
I killed myself. I don't think this level's possible with the jump physics in this one.
Nope. Bye.
Bye. No winners, no points.
No problem.
Coin, there's a coin.
Cool.
No one go for the coin yet, though. I mean, so I won't go for the coin. I don't care what you guys do. We get like this. Oh, that's a good place for that fucking coin. That's a good place for that crossbow. I didn't mean to go. It falls? I feel like I got kidnapped.
Yeah. It did.
Whoa, I jumped.
The honey
Did I?
got you on the
Oh.
end. Yeah.
Rude.
No winners, no points. Oh, that was brutal, James.
Yeah.
Barely on there.
What?
Oh, that's the okay. I didn't realize that crumbled. Panicked.
No winners? Oh, stairs are gonna be huge. Oh, someone else took them. I guess I'll fucking suck a dick and die.
I'm just gonna do this for myself, though.
That's fair.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
just have a
thought
good
these
place to
stairs
jump
would
to.
Go.
Oh, just how do you? Oh, sprint jump, huh?
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Took my platform away that I was gonna go to.
Oh, that death mode.
Oh no.
That's,
Poor Mr.
that's
Elephant.
shameful. Keeps giving us building blocks.
Yeah, it's just like, please, can you do this? Oh, James is making it spicy.
I lagged. No.
Oh, the puck! Fuck! I rested on my own laurels and the puck got me.
I'm panicking, I'm panicking.
That was fucking funny.
Oh.
What could we blow up? Just this.
Of all things.
Oh, rejected. No. Oh, poor Mitch.
And a cool game would be like a collaborative one where you have to die in a way that your dead body helps your teammates continue and like maybe one of you get through.
That would be pretty hype.
It'd be a cool kind of game.
Oh.
Yeah, good one, James. That's rough. That's gonna be rough for a while. I'm dead.
Me too.
Pop their bullets.
Go. Okay, go through that platform. Oh, it's just under.
James with his classic trap score.
Wait.
Oh, James, I'd love it.
Oh, I'm dead again.
Hi. It's been nice knowing you.
So deadly. No, never mind.
Go, James, go! You're the best!
You got it, James.
You can do it.
Scared.
Use some of that Zen from earlier. Oh, you're dead.
Just swamped me.
Oh, I thought I had a coin.
So
That's
embarrassing.
okay. Yeah.
That seems like a fun place for the coin. That's your fucking maniac, whoever put that hockey machine there.
Oh, it incentivizes a quick exit from the starting area.
It really does. That's fucked up. I love it. 3 turns left. I'll let someone else have the coin. No one grabbed the coin.
No one got it. Does anyone know what this clock does?
Yeah, it slows things down.
Time.
Oh.
Boy. Oh, I'm trapped.
No.
I'm convinced I can get up here, but why can't... There we go. Ooh.
Ow. God
Just got
damn
blown.
it.
Didn't you put that there, James?
No. Wasn't me. Give me a bomb. Yeah, fuck.
We gotta destroy.
Fuck this mitt.
I think this should go too. I think that'll give us a
Yeah.
good chance of completing something. This is fucked up. Oh!
Nope.
James, just don't do what everyone else did. Oh wait, man.
Don't panic, James, don't panic.
I'm pretty bad.
You ran for it and then just popped up. Oh no. What's he gonna do?
He's gonna take a shot
He's
here.
going back.
Yeah, now I
one,
can get his
James.
bearings, no problem.
Oh yeah, James. Just be calm,
He's
James.
panicking. He's panicking. He was panicking there.
Yeah, those are some panic jumps.
Okay.
He's lucky he's not dead.
Oh, that shoots down.
Yes, it does.
Alright, this is our last go of it.
No.
I know what we need. I need to get a bar. Yeah, this. And we need to put it like here. Those hockey players are gonna fight each other. Okay, giving us more time.
Oh, that's actually pretty funny. All right.
You can do it, James.
We've proved it's possible.
Oh yeah, James, you got this, no problem. Just stay calm.
Nope.
Oh,
no. 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 No.
You're doing fine,
No.
James. You're doing fine.
No.
Just keep going forward. Small jumps. Small jumps. He lost it as soon as he was over there.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
No, no.
He was fine for so long.
Yeah. Oh, Old Mansion's a great one. Good old COVID classics, we call these.
Oh yes.
I think that's the last time I played this.
Yeah, same.
Oh, we gotta get up there. Oh.
I'll make it a little bit interesting.
Oh, what? I thought that was set decoration, not deadly.
No, that's
turds of
glass. Yeah, classic James. James Solo.
Yes, sir.
Fuck. I want to get that box.
Oh, you guys just keep going up.
Oh, what?
All right, we got a game now. Oh, just all over
Three
things.
portals?
I don't even know how they work.
Oh, I placed mine down first, so it connected?
Oh.
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't want this shit.
Is this good? This is good. Interesting.
Oh, this looks like it might be a no points. James just has to not panic. Did he kill himself?
What the fuck?
I think he killed himself.
What are you?
On my first.
James, you good?
I think for the bit.
Oh boy.
This suddenly became a lot harder.
Oh. Okay, squish damage is a thing.
Very good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a level.
James, you're gonna win it. Beautiful. Beautifully done.
He's getting stuck.
Yeah, it's taking your life
Jeez.
essence.
Yeah. Good job, James.
Tarp,
And he
tarp.
killed himself in one of the rounds.
Yeah.
I am the ultimate elephant.
Don't you forget it,
You are.
everybody.
Now that's a good level.
What,
What else
mansion?
we got?
We have pyramid up here, so there's another question mark, so we might... Oh, it's gone. Old
Nice
mill
work.
has a question mark, though. Metal plant, I mean.
Metal plant.
Oh,
Okay.
volcano's another good one.
Oh god.
It's okay, take your time.
The mainframe. Oh, this one. Yes, I recall.
Like, do the blocks... Oh, the blocks move! Oh.
Oh, fuck, I lagged.
Oh, live, though.
How am I... Like, does this, like, charge a jump or something, or what?
Neat. Worth it.
That got all of us. That motherfucking cannon got all of us.
No one fired.
Yeah, truly.
Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put right here where we all happen to fall.
What are these things that Tyler and I have?
They are trapdoors, so you can land on them, but they'll open.
I see.
Oh, I didn't put it far enough. You guys having a good ride?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So nice. Well, great job, Mitch.
Thank you.
Okay.
Go, Tyler, you're the best. If you can't do it. Oh, James
No,
still
good
left too.
chance,
Go,
good chance
James,
I
you're the
won't do it.
best. James, you're the best.
Neat.
Alright, pretty even so far. Oh, black hole. So what we do to make it interesting, we put black hole on the path that we are going up.
Oh.
Oh, I stuck the black
You
hole to
stuck it
honey.
Oh, what's happening though?
Just the last thoughts. What's happening? No.
I got black hole.
I don't know why I find that so funny, James. Oh, there you go. We got two people there. Got a tag on it. Okay, let's do this again. Oh, you fucker. That's pretty good. Oh, Mitch, that's good too.
This might be unbeatable.
Nah, nothing's unbeatable. When you have the power of your friends.
I'm dead. Good luck to all of my friends.
That black hole, you need to get much better air than I did.
Oh god.
Oh,
God.
let's bring the honey.
Nice job, James.
Thank you.
That's a little bit fucked up, brother.
Oh, this is mucho no good. Oh, what?
Well, that worked.
Gorgeous, guys. That was great.
Wow.
Yeah, that was awesome.
This thing can die.
Love you guys.
Good.
Oh, the black hole sucks them up.
Panic to death.
Alright, things are getting interesting.
Oh.
Always do that.
It's a tough one. It's a tough one. I also love the elephant crouch.
Ah, not enough crouch.
It's too scary.
Oh, stairs. Yeah, don't still. Oh, there's a hockey puck. Who put the hockey puck there?
You're so close, buddy. You're so close. Let's
Let's
go,
go.
James. Let's go. All right.
Oh, good one, James.
Yo, oh, there. Oh, there was a thing there I didn't see. Got squished.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Oh, wow, nice.
no. Just snuck in with that little trap there.
Carmelian.
All right, let's do one more. James, you can choose the map.
Oh, hell yeah. What do we got? It's on this side. Windmill dance party? That's a nightmare. Nuclear ballroom.
Oh,
Says new.
Jungle Temple.
Have we? Yeah. You could influence me. What's over here? Mainframe.
Nuclear plant. New?
Space. I think we're gonna do nuclear plant because Mitch is dancing on it.
Oh yeah. So psyched.
Just kidding, let's do ballroom. No, I kid, nuclear plant. Oh, hey. Oh, fuck you, Mitch.
I forget what the gimmick of this one is.
You probably get nuked.
It's very vertical, right? Yes, this one's cool.
Ah.
Yeah, this one's weird.
Interesting. Very vertical. Oh. Oh, shut up, machine.
Oh, it's
it's
just gonna take us up.
I thought we might need that airplane, guys. There we go.
Oh,
Oh, interesting situation. What am I seeing?
It's just the normal.
There we go.
I was just flexing for a bit. Just jumping around because it was fun. You haven't seen this game? Dude, this is Chicken Horse is great. What got Mitch?
Circular saw moving in circles that I
That would
put
do it.
myself.
That would do it.
Stairs.
Stairs on the stairs. That's so stupid.
We all die if I put this here.
Yes, that'll just lock us out.
The game lets you do that? Just like
Oh, yeah.
totally.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, Tyler, that is naughty. Honestly, I think we just have to ride up normally. Oh, fuck. Tyler,
Squished.
great trap. Great.
Oh, you used my stairs.
Very nice, Tyler. That was sick.
Yeah.
Oh, who put this here?
I did.
Oh, damn it. Oh, and that doesn't go. Oh, crap. Okay, that's gonna get a new way up then.
oh,
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
oh! You can jump off that ladder. Subtle roast of Mitch, but okay.
Well.
Nobody placed another portal, did they?
Oh yeah, portal would be good. Be the
Well,
trendsetter.
if we get another one. Oh, I thought a balance
Yeah.
there.
I want a black hole. The monkey's victory dance is so cute.
It is. Oh, comeback for Mitch.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Put it here.
Yeah, the arrow is the facing towards the object you want to put it on.
Oh,
That's
I had it backwards.
fucked up, Mitch. That's that's fucked up, brother.
Oh, everything happens so quick and then you're dead.
Nice job, Tyler.
Whoa, Tyler.
You're the ultimate raccoon.
Woohoo!
So sick.